Dear investors, thank you for tuning in for exclusive podcast on important financial terms. Today we're going to talk about systematic investment plan or SIP. When you initiate an SIP, a fixed amount of money gets deducted periodically from your bank account and gets credited into the fund of your choice. This helps in cost averaging, which means that when the market is down, you get more units, and when it's up, you get less. The advantage of SIP is that you don't have to time the markets at all. It's perfect for people who are completely new to investing. SIP helps in inculcating the habit of investing periodically. It gives you the flexibility to invest in small amounts and exposes your investment to the power of compounding. So that's SIP for you in short. So that's SIP for you in short. Thank you for tuning in for this podcast. To listen to more such interesting content, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us on your favorite social media channel. And definitely do not forget to share it among your friends.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.